Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is chapter 28, lesson 1, exercises. Here we have some practice with the ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are numbers like unus, duo, tres, quatuor, etc. So 1, 2, 3, 4, just counting things. And then ordinal numbers tell you the order of things. So primus, secundus, tertius, etc. So the practice here is with first with a cardinal number followed by an ordinal number way of telling time. So here we have viginti annis post, 20 years later, and here we have vicesimo anno post, and the 20th year afterward. So a little bit different way of saying it. Over here in the margin we have some notes on how you create the different numbers. So ginta for 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 would be like quadraginta, quinquaginta, etc. And so those are the cardinal numbers, and the ordinal numbers are formed with gesimus. So quadragesimus, quinquagesimus. And the numbers, the 200s, 200 would be ducenti, ia, and 300 trecenti, etc. And 600, well then, and then for the ordinal numbers formed from that would be ducentesimus and trecentesimus, which would mean the 200th and the 300th one. And here we have how you form 400, 500, 700, which is quadragenti, ia, and then the 400th would be quadragentesimus. Sorry, quadringentesimus. Okay, so let's give this a try. So we have 30 years later, the cardinal number, triginta annis post, and then in the 30th year after, tricesimo anno post. And here we have the number 40, Excel. So that'd be, we're going to go with the cardinal number first, quadraginta, 40 years later, and in the 40th year, quadragesimo. Let's try one more. Here we have the 50 years later, quadraginta, make quinquaginta, I don't know, 50 years later, and here we want in the 50th year later, 50th year after. Quinquagesimo anno. Okay, let's go on to exercise 2. Here we have our vocab exercise. So blank angustum Siciliam ab Italia blank. So a narrow, straight, here we want the new word we learned for straight, fretum. And we want the new word for divides Sicily from Italy. And we learned that as disjungit, separates it. With the great tempestata maxima necesse fuit merces e nave blank. During the great storm, it was necessary to, remember this was to throw a yikra, to throw the goods from the ship. Go ahead and try the rest of those, and let's go on to question and answer. Quo navigant medus et Lydia? Well, medus et Lydia ad Graeciam navigant per fretum. They're going to Italy, sailing to Italy through the strait. Medus et Lydia ad Graeciam navigant.